There are baby birds outside in my garage, and I'm going to show them to you. See, look. Look at that.
Hey. Hey, little guys. Hey there. Hi. Hi there. Are you in a bucket? Oh, there's more over here. Look. There's one in the bucket. Little babies. They were learning how to fly earlier. I guess they're resting. They're probably terrified of me. Which is sad. I'm not going to hurt them. Look how fluffy this one is. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Hey. Hey. Hey, little guy. Hey. The two little little bike birds. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, it's okay. Bye-bye, guys. I'm not gonna hurt you.